Game can't find its code because of the UTX Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. As we prepare to resolve UTX library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the UTX library, a specialized Unreal texture library. It manages the unmanaged parsing and extraction of proprietary texture packages used in Unreal Engine-based software. It facilitates the data link between compressed graphical manifests and the hardware-accelerated 3D renderer. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. If your software is failing because of UTX Library DLL, the internal file mapping for localized application logic is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the UTX library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace UTX Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. To keep UTX Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.